friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make crispy jowar dosa without using rice. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let's get started. Today I'll be using organic white whole sorghum. Take a cup of sorghum or jowar into a mixing bowl. Into that I'll be adding 1/4 cup of whole urad dal. You can also use split urad dal here. And add 1 teaspoon of methi seeds for nice fermentation. Now add clean water and wash the mixture for 3 to 4 times or until the water comes out clear. Now add enough water and soak the mixture for about 5 to 6 hours. Our mixture has been soaked for almost 6 hours and now it's time to grind the mixture. Transfer the mixture into a mixie jar. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and grind the mixture into a fine paste. Do not make the batter very thin or runny. You can check the consistency of the mixture. It is nice and smooth. Transfer the mixture into a mixing bowl in which you are going to ferment the batter. After grinding the batter, whisk it with your clean hands. The microbes in your hand are the starter for fermentation. Just mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes and that's enough. Now cover the batter and let it ferment for about 6 to 8 hours in a warm place. After about 8 hours, the batter has fermented well. At this point of time, add salt to taste and mix it well. Onto a hot tawa, pour the batter and spread it a circular pattern to make a dosa. I'm using cast iron tawa here. Now drizzle some ghee on the top. If you are vegan, you can use oil. Now cook the dosa on a low to medium flame until it turns golden brown. As you can see, our crispy jowar dosa is ready to be served. And similar way, make rest of the dosas. I hope you liked today's video. If so, don't forget to hit like button to this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I will see you soon with another great recipe. Till then, bye bye.